Welcome to QLC online video tutorials. We will see how to address the check-in time challenges in FieldSense. Let's see. In a first scenario, suppose your location services is disabled and you are visiting to your customer. You have already added your visit for the customer, and when you reach to the customer place, try to check in for the customer, then you will get this message if your location services will be disabled. Like this message will be for better experience, turn on device location which uses Google's location service, and if you click on OK, your location service will get enabled and you will be successfully check in for the visit. And now we will see another scenario, like while check-in if you will see this message like you are this much kilometer away from your customer location and you don't have permission to update customer, please contact admin. So this message is very clearly saying you are not at the customer place and even you don't have a permission to change the address, so please contact your admin. But as a user, how you can verify whether this message is correct or not? So when you open the FieldSense app, on FieldSense homepage, if you have already added your visit, then you can see this blue dot on Google homepage. This blue dot denotes your current location, and this blue balloon denotes your visit location. So your current location should be nearby your visit location. And if you want to check the customer name for whom you would like to check in, if you click on this blue balloon, you will get to know the name of the customer as well. And when you click on it, it will give you the access of this page, where if you go to the contacts, then you will be able to see the saved customer address. And if this saved address is incorrect, then what you can do, you can contact with your admin, tell them to update it, and once they will inform you your address is updated, then what you need to do, you need to click here to update the thing. So the saved address on the web will get updated on your app as well. And then if you will try to check in after completing the sync, you will be able to successfully checked in. And there is another scenario where you will see this message. The message is same, the first part, you are this particular meter away from this particular address, and you want to change the address of this customer. So if you click on this right sign, the address of the customer will get changed and you will be successfully checked in. So this you can say this message will come when you have a permission to change the address of the customer. But in this case also you can verify like this whether the address is correct or not. But in this case, because you have a permission as a user to change the address of the customer, then within the app also, if you manually want to change, then come to this section, click on this edit icon and click on this address. You can edit, correct the address, you can save the correct address, and then when you try to check in, you will be able to successfully checked in. But as I said, when you receive this message and if you are sure this address is incorrect and if you want to update, then click on this right sign and you will be successfully checked in for the customer, because the address of the customer will get changed from your current geographical location. Alright, and there is another way to check your geographical location. If you want to cross check with your customer address, and if you click on this pin icon, then you will be able to see your current geographical location. So this option will also help you to cross check whether you are at the correct place or no, as per the geographical location. Thanks for your valuable time. For any further assistance or regarding any suggestion, you can contact us on support@qlc.in. Thanks for watching.